recording. Bowman Sterling 2013, box number 12. There are your breakers and divisions. Oh, he's in the base too? Haven't seen many of those. Maybe we did get one. Only 6 packs, but they are 6 wonderful packs. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck, everybody. We will start off with number to 50 for the Yankees, AL East, Tyler Austin. Nice gold. Nice way to start. For the Astros, Andrew Thurman. Andrew Thurman. For the White Sox, Tyler Danish. And number 2, 125. For the Diamondbacks, Adam Eaton. He's actually leading off for the Chicago White Sox now. I think he's having a pretty good start to the season. That will go to the Diamondbacks, though, regardless of where he is now. Not a bad start. A green refractor auto and a gold base to 50. Nice. Hunter Harvey, Bryce Harper, duel. A duel. For the Dodgers, Jock Peterson. AL East, Sales Genie, Trey Ball coming at you. PK, you ready? You there, PK? Canary Tim Anderson, number 1 of 3. Canary Tim Anderson. You're welcome. I'll give you $20 right now. That's our third Canary out of 2 cases. Very nice. Hey, we got 4 packs to go, guys. Oh, you sold your... Crashed? What happened? Can you guys still see me? Alright. Cool. Lag. Alright, it is recording, so I'm going to keep going. For the Mets, NL East, Dominic Smith. Justin, you wanted to know who was good in the NL Central. Well, you got him. Gregory Polanco. NL East, Andrew Knapp for the Phillies. Canes fan. And numbered to 150, refractor for the Diamondbacks. We're only halfway, Reynolds. Aaron Blair. Osvaldo Arcia, base. Yeah, you got the Andrew Thurman, I think is who it was. NL Central, a good friend of the tank, Michael Lorenzen. Another NL East hit, Andrew Church. For Canes fan. AL Central, PK. Another nice one. Yordano Ventura. Yeah, I'll tweet it out. Here's a nice little base. Yasiel Puig base. For Bagger. Clint Frazier base. AL Central. Another nice hit for the Reds. NL Central. Phil Irvin. AL Central is on fire, that's for sure. NL East. J.P. Crawford, nice hit. It's one of their top prospects. Canes fan. There you go. For the AL West, refractor number to 199, Mike Zunino. Who loves you, Reynolds? AL East Yankees, Michael O'Neill. Another hit for the White Sox. AL Central, Courtney Hawkins. Last card for the NL West. Ryder Jones, green refractor to 125. $87 of 125. So, pretty nice box, guys. Can't beat overall. Canary, Tim Anderson, green. Ryder, Courtney Hawkins, J.P. Crawford, Phil Irvin, Clint Frazier, Puig base, Ventura, Polanco, Trey Ball, Jock Peterson, Eaton Green, and a gold Austin. You got Phil Irvin and Michael Lorenzen.